Okay, let's dive into a proven blueprint for some seriously explosive Instagram growth. So let's start with a number. We're talking over 15,000. And that's how many followers one account wrapped up in just 90 days. So the big question is how they pull this off without spending a dime on ads. The secret? It's a powerful feature that, honestly, most creators just ignore. The whole game changer is this one simple idea right here. It's the Instagram Collab feature. Basically, it lets you share one post across multiple accounts. So right away, you're getting in front of your collaborator's entire audience. And hey, this is way more powerful than just a simple tag or mention. See, you're an actual co-author sharing the post and all the likes and comments. So if collabs are the engine for all this growth, what's the fuel? That's where strategic hashtags come in. They really amplify your reach. And you don't need a ton of them. Instagram itself says 3 to 5 is the sweet spot. It's all about being relevant. Mix a broad tag with a super niche one. Okay, so how do these two things actually create that viral loop we're talking about? This lays out the cycle perfectly. It all kicks off with just one collab. That post immediately hits a totally new audience, which means new followers for you. Then your growth makes you an even better partner for the next collab. This is what the case study calls a networked spotlight system. It basically fuels itself. All right, so how can you actually do this? Let's break it down. First up, find partners. Think about creators who have an audience just like yours. When you make the post, just invite them from the Tag People screen. Easy. If you need ideas, try a joint giveaway, a product launch, or even feature a fan's content. So really, the big takeaway is this. Stop posting alone. Growth is a team sport. Which just leaves one last question. Who's going to be your first collaborator?